Hello friends, good afternoon. From last many days, I have received many requests about the topic polynomial. Many students have sent emails and WhatsApp that sir please make some video about polynomials. So really polynomial is an interesting chapter in which we are talking all about the relationship in between a degree, a term, and it's all about the relation of a degree and term with that of the alphabets, or we may say that it is a joint relation in between the mathematical operations and algebraic expressions. Let's talk about in our first we will talk about the definition of polynomial, in which p of x, you see here, p of x is equal to a base n x to the power n plus a base n minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1 plus up to it goes a base 1 x to the power 1 plus a base 0. Here x to the power 0 is almost equal to 1, so we can't we may or may not write x to the power 0. Instead of, we write only a base 0. So here you see that the value a0, a1, a2 up to a base n are all constants. Okay, another thing is that here a base n is not equal to 0. So what we say about the entire portion is that here it is a combination of you may say the mathematical operations, algebraic expressions, as well as the link in between the degrees and the terms. So if we go on seeing, it consists of terms, degrees, and another most important thing is that it is a polynomial. So let's talk about the terms and degrees. If we see on the account of terms, a polynomial is divided on the account of terms as per our CBSE curriculum. If we see, if a polynomial having one term, two terms, three terms. Polynomial having one term is known as monomial. Polynomials having two terms is known as binomial. And polynomials having three terms is known as trinomial. Secondly, if we talk about degrees, degree is also plays a vital role in polynomials. So what we say about the degrees, if having degree 1, if degree is 1, then we may say it as a linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, then we can say it as quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, then we can say it as cubic polynomial. So from the above relation, what we have observed, that a polynomial is nothing but it is a combination of mathematical expressions, constants, and also there are certain terms and degrees. And degrees are of three types as per our 9th standard syllabus, and terms are also of three types. So let's talk about how we consider polynomial as a vital portion in the algebraic expressions, as we have studied algebraic expressions in the previous class, where we have seen the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So now we talk about the polynomials in different terms. So let's talk about one question where you need to find the degree of each polynomials. Our question begins with something like that: x to the power 6 minus x to the power 4 plus 1. What is the highest power of this variable? Here you can see the highest power of the variable is 7. Here the highest power is almost 6. So here in the given equation, the highest power is 6. So the degree of the polynomial is nothing but 6. So here we can consider as the degree 6. Similarly, if we see what is the highest power in case of 2 minus y square minus y cube plus 2y7. Here the highest power is, you see the highest power is 7. So we can say the degree as 7. Okay. Similarly, it's all about the degree of the polynomial. Let's talk about the terms of the polynomial. So let's talk about the terms of the polynomial. As you can see in the given question, let us take with reference to a simple question. Let's see x square plus x. So what do you say about this polynomial? Whether it is a linear, quadratic or cubic. What do you say about this polynomial? See, x square plus x. Here how many terms are present? Almost x square is a term and x is a term. So here 2 terms are present. So we can say it as a quadratic polynomial. No doubt, it's a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Similarly, if we take the case of 7x 9, here the case is it's having a degree 9. So what do you say? What is the term for this polynomial? So here you see it have only one term. So if we consider the term, it is only one. So here only 2 terms are present, that's why it is quadratic polynomial. Here you see 7x to the power 9. So here you can say it as it is not beyond, it is a x cube. So you can say it as cubic polynomials. Okay, now come to another case.